Welcome to Every Mile.
Every mile, we're making memories side by side, growing in love and unity with every destination. New story unfolds every mile.
Hello and welcome to Every Mile. Today we're going to explore Point Lobos again, literally my favorite place on earth. I absolutely love it here. To me, it is one of the most beautiful coastlines on earth. Check it out. Now, we featured a couple of hikes here at Point Lobos. Today we're going to do one that we've done before. I think we've even made a video of before. But we have some friends visiting from out of town, so we're going to show them our favorite hike. Now, one of our favorite things about this trail in particular is that there's bathrooms up there, there's picnic tables here. The trail begins right here, and then you have epic views of the coast. A little bit foggy today, but still beautiful. So what do you think of this, Maddie?
It's amazing.
Have you been here before?
Yep. When I was it 5?
Yep.
Huh? Today is a beautiful day and the birdies.
All right, so what do you think of the views?
It's so beautiful. It's like the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. Look at the seals on the beach. Look at all the birds.
If you've ever read the book Treasure Island, Robert Louis Stevenson, he used to live in Monterey. In the beginning of the book, Billy Bones, who we know now has the treasure map, constantly is going to the coastline, looking out to sea, kind of keeping an eye out for any ships that may be coming in to get him, to get the map. This is the area that he kind of describes in that story. So as you're reading the book, this is the coastline that you can kind of picture. And it's absolutely crazy to see. And then when you read about it, it's even more beautiful. And oh yeah, it's awesome. You can see a few otters swimming among the kelp. As a side note, if anybody has a few million they want to throw my way, I would love to live in one of these houses. That's like my dream right there, is to be in one of these houses. This is Bird Island. So Grant, why do they call it Bird Island?
I don't know. Probably there's full of birds and bird poop.
All right, so what kind of birds do we have? We have pelicans, we have seagulls. I don't know what the little black ones are. That's a good question.
They look like crows and pelicans had a baby.
Well, we've come to this island at times and we've seen turkey vultures, we've seen some California condor, we've seen all kinds of other birds. But it's just kind of a cool place to look at, right?
Yep.
We also love the wildflowers. Oh, it's so beautiful here. But you can sit and picnic over here by the restrooms and have this for the view. Bluebirds, hummingbirds, all kinds of different stuff will fly up and join you. And that's our day at Point Lobos. Thanks for coming with us on this adventure, and we will catch you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Making memories with